Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. My name is Aisha, and today I have a double chiara wall setup for you guys. It was for a birthday party, and I'm gonna go over the colors that I use really quickly. We have Tuxtex navy, which is the darker blue, and then we have Qualatex pale blue, and then I also added some reflex gold to this setup as well. Now this order was initially for one chiara backdrop, but I explained in last week's video. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out after this, by the way. But yeah, I explained that I went to a workshop. It was about pricing your decorations and stuff, and one of the ladies said that she used to add like maybe 3.5 feet of decorations to some of her setups, just so that she can take more pictures, have more content, and so that she can show more of what she has to offer, if that makes sense. So the essence and reasoning behind all of this was that if you don't want to get certain clients, well, maybe not even certain clients, but if you don't want to do certain backdrops, don't post them. So even if I go to do a circular backdrop tomorrow, I might not post it because I want to do different things. So in this case, I was like, this is a good opportunity for me to kind of expand that way and do something that I haven't done before, and so that I can post that and then maybe get more clients that want more decorations. And yeah, so I've just been trying to expand in that way. I also want to have like a champagne wall and maybe a welcome sign. I'm just looking into different services that I can add so that it's more tempting for clients to get complete packages with me instead of just a regular backdrop, if that makes sense. So at this point, the base of the garland was pretty much done, and I had also already added some volume to the garland on the right. Didn't get that on camera because I had a TikTok to film, but I was also very tired. I had worked the day before, so that Saturday, and then I think that Friday I went somewhere with my sister, so it got really late. And yeah, it was a weekend, but everything worked out in the end, of course. This was also the first time that a client said that they weren't really happy with something. They were happy, but they wish it was a little bit different. Now remember, I decided to add that extra chiara wall, and I told the client about it. She was fine with it. And then when I was finished, I sent her a picture because she wasn't at the venue when I was setting up. I didn't hear anything back from her, but then when I went back to pick up my stuff, she kind of said that they would have wanted the garland on the left to just be on the left side of that chiara wall instead of it going diagonally. And I was like, okay, I hear you, I can see that. For me specifically, I just wanted to do something that was not simple, and this isn't very intricate or extra either, but I just wanted to give it a little bit more interest by changing the directions a little bit. So I'm curious to see what you guys think. Should I have just put it on the left, or do you like the fact that it was placed diagonally? At this point, I'm pretty much almost done. I'm just adding the last little 3-inch clusters, and then of course I had to create some mini garlands somewhere in the garland because we stan the mini garlands. Like, they are a must at this point. So definitely let me know what you guys think about this setup. Feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.